Let's quickly update Carvana stock. Friday made a new 52-week high, 83, broke out of this 82 resistance on an hourly chart that I was watching. So also options wise, that day on Friday, basically premiums were bullish as well. 111,000 calls were traded, 56,000 puts were traded. And if you take a look at the I'm just looking at the short, let's take a look at the short volume, what happened that day and a few other days. 56% people, still 57, from the reported volume. Again, not all exchanges reported here, but from the volume that I can see from that 5 million, 57% were short. So I don't know why people are trying to short it. For me, usually when stock to short a stock is when it makes like a climax move to the upside. It doesn't look like it has squeezed everybody, so there's no reason for this to dump, especially when everything is running up, small caps are waking up. I want to see something like this, or I want to see something like SMCI did, like skipping like going up every day, like 2 standard deviation moves. So maybe, I don't know, like 110, 115. But I'm pretty sure that Carvana can get over $100. It is implying, option market is implying for the next week for Carvana to move 9.9 plus minus. Implied volatility is high. If you want to trade calls, IV is pretty decent, so you will have it will be pricey. I did buy small debit spread call for next week, but we'll see. If premiums come down next week and it doesn't run away, I can buy some more closer to the money. But so basically it's implying $9-10 move for next week, but I think that it can move 2 standard deviations because of all the shorts that are shorting it publicly, and all of them are underwater. I don't know how they're some Carsdale, I think, on my Twitter, last time we looked at it, they said they're short common shares, but I'm sure they're hedged with calls as well. They better be hedged. But there's one thing called gamma squeeze. If people keep buying calls, market makers will hedge themselves and they will buy shares. And that's how a squeeze happens, actually. So in that case, good luck to shorts. And I hope it does squeeze and it turns into payday. So you can tell I'm biased, I'm bullish. There's no reason for me to be bearish this stock. It's looking bullish. It's making higher highs, higher lows. If you take a look at the weekly chart, it recently broke out of the resistance, which was 55, 56 right here. It tested it 3 times. In July, it tested it in September, it tested it in December, it tested it in February, and it finally broke out. So I'm watching the stock to the upside. We'll see what happens next week. We'll update it next week. But so far, looks bullish. Flow is bullish. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Peace.